Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. All right, so yesterday I went diving with Justin and I speared two of these trumpet fish. They're very weird looking. Probably one of the most, I don't know, there's a lot of unique looking fish, but this guy in particular is super weird. They got a really long mouth. That's their eyes right here, all the way back here. So his mouth is that long, about 5.5, 6 inches long. And they're very slim and long fish. This is called a trumpet fish, also a cornet fish. And in sushi, we get something, the same fish. It's called akayagara. It's a red version of these fish from Japan. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fillet this fish and turn it into sashimi. This one is kind of small. I swear it was bigger in the water, but now that I look at it, it's pretty small. So it might be a little difficult, but we should still be able to get some nice sashimi out of it. All right, so let's get started. First thing, so I already gutted this guy, and they don't have too many guts, so it's fine. And they have no scales at all, so you don't have to scale them. You want to cut it off right where the meat begins. You see this? There's a little fin, and you can cut right behind there, straight down. Cut that off. So just flip them over. Follow this line that you created from gutting it on the one side and also on the other. All right, going a little deeper. Now you're going to come up here next to where that center bone is. I'm going to go on the right side first. Just cut down. You're just gonna follow it all the way down. So you have one fillet there. Yeah, these guys tiny. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. You can also do it like this. Just get the back and on the right side of the spine, make a nice clean cut there. Go all the way to the center. You're gonna poke through and you're just gonna hold on to it. And you can kind of pull and slice at the same time. So it's kind of like this. So there you go. Cut that off. Now these are the bones. These cornet fish, they do get bigger. So with this one, it's very small. So with the bigger ones, you get much more meat out of it. These are definitely kind of a little too small and Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel the skin off here. Hold the meat down and peel it back. And you can just, if you have tweezers, it's much easier, like the bone tweezers. But you can use your hands to kind of peel the meat off the skin. And you just hold the meat down and peel back. I skinned the other one and I ate it. I was like, let me try it. And I ate the whole thing, whole fillet, so I only have 3 fillets left. And that's it. Well, that's not it. So there's not really any pin bones. Very nice, clean, white meat. So we're just gonna slice this up. Well, there you have it, guys. Just a sashimi, simple sashimi. Just want to show you guys how to fillet that trumpet fish. It was a very small one, so wouldn't recommend anything smaller than that. Definitely next time would do a bigger trumpet fish. All right, well, let's taste it anyways. Actually, first, I don't have any soy sauce right now, but look, there's a lime tree right here. There's lime. It's just right above me. So I'm just gonna use some lime. Well, here it is. Let's just try it out. I have some chopsticks here. I don't need chopsticks, so I'll just use my fingers. Some lime, put some lime juice on that. Cheers, guys. Yeah, pretty much the same as the one we get in for the restaurants. Clean, mild taste, and soft as well. Add some ginger, some of this red ginger. Not bad. I know a lot of people don't eat this trumpet fish around here, so just wanted to showcase a little, you know, how you can do it. And these are good for sashimi. Well, I just wanted to bring you a quick little video because I had this fish and you saw me catch it yesterday. So here it is. And our trip so far has been wonderful. It's been awesome. And next, we're going to Japan. I'm going to be going to Osaka first. Osaka is where I was born and I lived there till I was 9. And a lot of my family is there. I have aunts, uncles, cousins, grandparents that live there. So we're going to be going there just for a week. And then we're going to be going to the south of Japan called Kagoshima. Kagoshima is where my dad lives. He's been living there for the past 2 years. He moved out of Osaka. So, and I've never been there. I haven't been back to Japan in 3 years. So it's going to be my first time in Kagoshima. We're going to be fishing there. It should be good fishing. You should be able to see some awesome catch and cooks down there. So stay tuned for these travel catch and cooks, because the next destination is Japan, my homeland, the motherland. All right, guys. See you guys next time. Peace. Very soft. Very soft.